Hey, you there. Yeah, you. Are you tired of overfilling your shop vacuum? Then you should get the all-clear Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator from Oneida Air Systems. With the same 99% separation rating that you know and love, but with new high-visibility components so you can spot from across the shop when to dump the dust. All clear. Available now from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection, proudly manufacturing in the USA since 1993. For more information, visit oneida-air.com.